It's time to check out from this beautiful place, but stay tuned to see my most exciting experience ever. So guys, this is the place where we have come. That's a whitewater resort. It's just a river rafting, kayaking and the water balloon and everything. There's just one batch that just went right now. We are going to go next. It's so exciting, guys. So guys, we are all ready with our jackets and we are going to get dressed up, but there's no one except for me and my two friends. So that's why we are waiting for people. For 10 minutes we'll wait for them, otherwise we'll start with the rafting. But I feel it's better we have more people here rather than going only 3 of us, so it will not even hold the weight much, so that's why. So let's hope for it.
Hi. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Jai Kali. Okay, then forward. What is your name?
Pravalika. Sanjana.
Ready?
Oh my God.
Let's get back. Again, forward, forward. I say forward. Side corner पे Okay, now going forward. Okay, forward everyone, fast. Hold the T grip, hold the T grip. सरल को सही से पकड़ो. Forward, ऐसे ऐसे. मैडम, हेलो. चलो forward fast. Again fast. Okay, stop, team, stop, relax. Okay, back plan karo, back. Chalo, forward, forward. Okay, stop, 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 relax. Stop. Let's forward again, forward, forward.
This day is one of the best days of my life. I will never ever forget this day. I have explained all the details of my Dandeli trip at the end of the video, so stay tuned to know more details about this.
So guys, we reached Dandeli and we were heading to Magenta Resort. Trust me guys, the road was horrible, but as horrible as the road was, the resort was that beautiful. So it was great there, the environment, they had a private lake including all these activities that you just saw us doing, kayaking there and the zip lining there. And the hotel, like, it was so beautiful guys. There was a DJ, there was bonfire, and the DJ was playing the songs just for us, and like he was playing Telugu songs because they told him we are from Hyderabad, and he somehow got all the famous Telugu songs and played for us. And it was great environment there. They had multiple activities, and we booked a cottage around 1500 per person, which had including activities but excluding food. So if you want to go to Dandeli, this resort, it is a great option, guys. So talking about the activities that were included in the package, guys, you had multiple things, indoors and outdoors. You can do kayaking, boating, and bridge crossing, zip lining, and also corral. You had archery, and you had DJ and bonfire. And also there is a pool. You can enjoy the pool time there too. And all these were included in the activities. The next morning at around 8:30, we had checked out from the place because the reception informed us that the river rafting place was around 25 kilometers from the resort, which was too long because of the road, if you remember. And from there, we head to the Whitewater Resort, and we started the river rafting there. Oh, the river rafting is like so nice. It depends on whatever kilometers that you take. Today we had a lot of time constraints. That's why we only took 1 kilometer, but people take 6 kilometers, which is mid length, and 9 kilometers, which is long. The prices range from 500, 1200, and 14 or 1500 something. But you definitely need to have a guide with you who is properly trained, because most of the work they do it for you, and you definitely put a lot of efforts on pushing and pulling or going through the flow of the water. But once you're in there, you just have to go for it, guys. And jacuzzi bath, trust me, I almost slipped and fell. I just went two or three rocks down, and I just held my guide's leg so hard. And with the Dandeli's experience to last a lot long in the memories, here comes the end of my trip to Gokarna, including Murdeshwar and Dandeli. Hope you like my experience here and visit here once, and share your experience too if you have already visited in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And I will also drop my Instagram handle. If you want to follow me there, you can follow me there too. And with that, I'm signing off. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.